President and CEO of the National Waste and Recycling Association. Good morning, Sharon. How are you?
Good morning, Jay. I'm fine, thank you.
Hey, so what happens to the garbage that can't be recycled?
Well, thanks to our current technological advancements, products that cannot be recycled go to well-regulated, highly engineered landfills that are cleaner, smarter, and greener than ever before. And many of these landfills actually produce natural gas that is used to power homes in this country.
Now, usually when I think of a landfill, I think of, going to dump the garbage when I was a kid, and landfills don't seem like the cleanest, most sanitary place. Is it different now? Are they more regulated? Are they helping with our environment?
Landfills are highly regulated, and they feature containment systems, highly engineered containment systems that prevent groundwater contamination and reduce emissions. I've got to tell you, I had the pleasure of being present at one landfill that was putting in their containment system. And the level of engineering sophistication and protection that goes along with building a landfill is absolutely amazing.
So it used to be that garbage just went into a landfill and it just sat there. What happens to the things that we throw away now? What happens in those landfills once the garbage is dumped?
Once the garbage is dumped, they go into a landfill that has a strong containment system, and it also has a collection system for water that runs off, and it's continually monitored. And in many landfills, of course, there is a soil cover over the waste. The waste decomposes, and in many cases, we actually collect the gas that is produced from that decomposition and use it to fuel homes and natural gas vehicles.
I feel like we've already talked a little bit about some of the myths and misconceptions of landfills, but it sounds like there's some actual benefits now, right?
There is, and once landfills are closed, once their life is over as a landfill, they can be put into other productive uses. A good example of this is that Mile High Stadium was built on a landfill. New York City is now developing a very large park on the Fresh Kills landfill since it's been closed. So you know what? It's the cycle of waste management. It's part of the cycle. And some of the gas that's generated from some of these landfills are being used by companies as they're developing new products. For example, Budweiser has a facility that is fueled by gas from a landfill. The same with the Mars Candy Company. The same with General Motors. So it is quite an interesting cycle.
All right, Sharon Kneiss, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, everybody, enjoy National Recycling Day coming up on Saturday. Some local recycling centers around the area: Western Recycling on Cole Road in Boise and Glenwood Street in Garden City. And in Nampa, there is Pacific Recycling on Comstock Avenue. So far, over 51,000 people have taken the pledge to recycle more on americarecyclesday.org. You can even win prizes through November 20th by using the hashtag recycling selfie. For more information, visit americarecyclesday.org.